Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Base Network airdrop. Now it looks like Base Network has finally decided to do an airdrop for the community, and they have Onchain Summer which is ongoing, by which you can go ahead and farm this potential Base Network airdrop. Now in the past Base Network had never promised that they would be doing an airdrop, but by the looks of it they are planning to do an airdrop which should be during this bull run. If we talk about the overall market sentiment right now, especially after the Donald Trump news, as you can see, Bitcoin is trading above $62,000 now. And if we talk about rest of the altcoins over here, as you can see, in the past 7 days, we can see 10%, 30%, 40% increase in the price of altcoins. Now, I personally feel that next month and a month after that, that is August and September, should be the month for Ethereum, especially after the ETF inflows, and hopefully we can see a altcoin bull run in this couple of months. Although none of this is a financial advice, do your own research. Now before we move on to Base Network airdrop farming, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is up to $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. Now apart from getting the sign up bonuses, you would be also eligible to participate in airdrop on Bybit centralized exchange. Now in order to farm the Base Network airdrop, you can either farm it from MetaMask wallet, but I would advise is at least go ahead and have a Coinbase wallet. So simply go ahead and download this Coinbase wallet. All the links in the description, so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. Now what you can do is you can basically go ahead and import your secret recovery phase or maybe private key to your Coinbase wallet, which I have imported on my Coinbase wallet. Now once you have Coinbase wallet, all you have to do is you will need to go to wallet.coinbase.com, and over here you will need to go ahead and complete certain quest or task on this Onchain Summer over here. So as you can see, once you go ahead and mint this NFT, you will be getting 250 points. And if we go a bit down over here, if we go in trending on-chain over here, as you can see, there are a lot of tasks and quests that you can complete in order to get some additional points on the on-chain summer on Base Network. Now farming this airdrop is not free, as some of these mints, like for example this NFT mint and few other mints, will cost you some amount of money and as well as gas fees. But I've seen that most of these tasks would require you somewhere around I think so $40 to $50 in order to complete this trending task. Now also I've noticed one more problem is that if you are based out of states, then getting a KYC done on Coinbase is a bit difficult because Coinbase is not supporting all the countries. Now I'm staying in United Arab Emirates in Dubai, so I'm not able to complete my KYC on the Coinbase network, and that is the reason why I'm not able to get this 1000 points and few other points on the Base network. So if you are from states, then it's a good news for you. If not, then you might face some issues with regards to doing a KYC on the Base network. Now apart from completing all these tasks, you can head to assets over here, and over here as you can see there are a lot of assets. Now there would be some assets that you can go ahead and stake on the on-chain summer over here. So for example, if I click on Ethereum, as you can see it has the option to go ahead and stake. So basically if you want to go ahead and stake, you can go ahead and stake your Ethereum using this portal. Apart from that, you can interact with different dApps on the Base network. So for example, if we go and check, these are for all the networks over here, but you can go over here and specifically select the Base network. Now there are different DeFi protocols, for example Onchain Summer is there, layer 3 and SushiSwap, Base Swap. So you can start interacting with different dApps on the Base network in order to potentially earn some additional points on the Onchain Summer. Now apart from this, what you can do is you can go to guild.xyz over here, connect your wallet, and as you can see there are these roles that you can go ahead and claim on the guild.xyz. Now once again I'm facing an issue with this verified Coinbase user, because since it's not allowing me to complete the KYC in Dubai, and also for some reason this on-chain insider and on-chain maxi I'm not able to get the roles, although I hold like few of these NFTs over here on the Base network. There is some problem, I think so. And for based camp over here, I had made a separate video which is like 22 minutes long, explaining as to how you can go ahead and claim all of these roles. Now you will need to deploy a lot of contracts on the base network in order to go ahead and claim these roles over here. Now, apart from this task on Onchain Summer and this base guild roles, you can also go to layer3.xyz and maybe if you want, you can complete some of the tasks. Now, some of the tasks will require you minting some NFTs on the layer 3, which will cost you a decent sum of money. And apart from this, you can go to Galaxy campaigns over here, follow them on Galaxy, connect your wallet, and for example, if I click on this, you can go ahead and complete all of this tasks. So as you can see, I went ahead and claimed all of this. So this is all for now as to how you can go ahead and farm the base network airdrop, and hopefully they do a decent airdrop for the community. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.